What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on ARPA. We haven't covered this crypto in quite some time, but I wanted to make an update on that because it was requested quite a bit. So in this video we'll just do an update on what's going on. We had some significant bearish breakouts again this weekend. Overall it's not looking great. I mean, obviously ARPA was manipulated as hell. So I'll also go over a little bit on how to tell whether a crypto is manipulated. I did that with linear finance as well. And I think that's useful. I think you can actually learn something from that. But we'll also do a full technical overview of ARPA. We had a little bit of bullish momentum yesterday evening, but not too much. Apart from that, I am short on ARPA, by the way. I actually shorted all the way down here at 5.7 cents. So that position technically is not in profit, but then I shorted again at around 10 cents. So my average entry is around 7.5. So I have been in profit with that short. And if you ask, well, if you shorted at 5.7 and it went all the way up to 13 cents, how did you not get liquidated? Risk management. All right, my liquidation area was way up here at around 25 cents. So with good risk management, these manipulated cryptos are always good to short, but I'll go over how to identify that in a little. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. So if you want to see whether a crypto is manipulated or not, the one thing you have to do is check out the volume. Where is the volume coming from? Usually if a crypto is manipulated, the volume comes from a number of exchanges and usually smaller exchanges. I'm not sure if with ARPA you can still see it. Yeah, with ARPA you can still see it. BitTrue, for example, there's a lot of like 17% of the volume coming from BitTrue is not normal. It's a minor exchange. It's also a little bit shady. So that's one way you can actually see it's manipulated. HitBTC, same story. And the same story with BitDump and UpBit, which are good exchanges, but usually when there's a high percentage of volume coming from like the collection of all of those exchanges, it is still a sign of manipulation. So when it's manipulated, either use very good risk management, a very low risk, or just don't trade it at all and wait for confirmations. But all right, so what does that mean for ARPA right now? I think we're going to drop down lower. We are just bleeding right now. We've done that more often. Like for example, with something like this, we also, from the top here, we went down a total of about 46%. And we basically did things like this very, very often, right? So we always kind of drop down for a long time and then we consolidated. For ARPA, I think we will at least still drop down to this level here around 5 cents. Right now, we were holding that level at around 5.8 cents. We have not dropped down below that, or we have not broken below that yet, but the candle is closing in 10 minutes, and I don't think we'll get above that. So I think it's likely we'll drop down to that level. And then from there, I mean, we might actually be able to consolidate there. From the top right now, I actually think we have already dropped down more than 45%. Yeah, 55%. So, but like I said, I think we'll actually drop down a total of over 60% to that level. Now, is there any chance to get some sort of a second rally? Is a good question. I don't think so. We had a little bit of bullish momentum along the way, but I actually think like this was the second rally, the 27th of May. So right now, I think it's more likely that we're going to get that bearish breakout and that we'll get that drop. It might still take a week because you do see that the dropping is slowing down, but overall that is my expectation. So that's my take on ARPA for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.